everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate Popupsmart with HubSpot. So before we start, there are some things to remember. First of all, you need to have a HubSpot account registered with your website and the other information necessary. You need to have a static list or some static lists on your HubSpot account, and you need to verify your website on your Popupsmart account. So if you're ready, let's start building your lists and acquire new lists with the integration of Popupsmart and HubSpot. So I'm on my Popupsmart account right now. I will continue with new campaign. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one for free. Let's write HubSpot here and save it. You can just name your campaign whatever you want. Let's choose pop-up templates. We have the different goals here. We have different industries. We have seasonal pop-ups and different pop-up types. You can just choose one according to your needs. They're all ready to go. Of course, if you want to collect some information, we need a form element on our pop-up. For this pop-up, we have an email form. If you have chosen a pop-up template that doesn't have a form element, you can easily add one by clicking on Add a New Element and then choosing Pop-up Form. And then if you want, you can add more than one forms. In this example, we have the email address, but we can easily add phone number, full name or address, or whatever you need. For this video, I'll just continue with the email address form elements. Okay, now we will start the integration process. For this, I will click on Form, and here we'll see Integration. Integrating another platform means that you want to use the data that you collect with Popupsmart on HubSpot. Okay, let's continue with Add Integration, and then scroll down. You will see HubSpot and click Connect. If you already have a HubSpot API, you can choose it here, or if you don't have, click on Add New HubSpot API. It is directing you to HubSpot, and then choose your account and continue. And then continue with Connect App. Okay, we have successfully connected HubSpot. Let's continue with Next. Okay, we are on the Details step. This is where you will choose your static list. Let's continue with Next. Okay, after choosing our list, we are forwarded to the Match Fields part. This is where we will choose the data we want based on the elements on our pop-up. I once again want to remind you that you need to have a list on your HubSpot account to complete this step, or you can't see any choice on your dropdown or you get an error message. Also, make sure your HubSpot list is static to take the data. Otherwise, you will not be able to see your list or collect your leads. Okay, because I have an email element on my pop-up, I will scroll down to see email and then choose email input. If you also have other elements like first name or last name or address or country or region, you can also click here and then choose the relevant option. Let's scroll down to save. Okay, our HubSpot integration is all set. The status of your integration will be on by default. You can change it whenever you want on the three dots right here. This is where you can also edit the integration or delete it. Optionally, you can click Add Integration if you want to integrate more platforms. Also, I want to show you that you can also do the integrations on the settings part right here. Okay, now I want to publish my campaign, and then I will show you how to add the email and then how it looks on your HubSpot account. Okay, our campaign is successfully published. Let's go to my website now. Okay, here is our pop-up. Let me enter my email address real quick and then click subscribe. Okay, then when someone enters their email address, you need to go to your HubSpot dashboard. From contacts, continue with lists, and then find your list, click on it, and you will see the email addresses of people who entered their email address on your pop-up. So that's it. This is how you can easily integrate HubSpot with Popupsmart. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.